Okay, hello. I wanted to show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi humidifier. So let's see what is inside. Of course, instruction with information about product overview, with describing of all of the elements. And all indicators what humidifier shows. Next we have information about maintenance and installation. And next we have specifications and troubleshooting. Okay, let's return to the package. The device itself is very compact. This is like small box, so no overwhelm the room. Besides, you only need to pour the water to a specified level, and you can steer this manually or with an application on your smartphone. Here on the indicator you see the level of the water and mode that is currently enabled. Okay, let's adjust the application itself. As you see, application automatically found the humidifier. So let's start this. Need to properly set the authorization, pushing proper buttons, and set the Wi-Fi network access. Yes, we have connection. Select room. Naming. Yeah, success. So you can check online level of the water, set timer when the device will be on off, set the automation for your room when humidity is lower or higher than exact number. Thank you very much.